So another quick part video here. I bought the gasket so I can clean my throttle body and the idle control valve here. This is not the one from the car yet, but I want to show you. This is the kit I got. It's a, come on, 2050 or SI 2050. That's the part number. Standard Motor Products, and the only two stickers on this are these. This one is actually made here in the USA, as you can see, and that's what comes in it. So it has the some fuel injector seals. That is the seal that I need for this right here. Luckily they had the other one that's not like, does not look anything like that one. So I decided to just get the kit, and these are the throttle body gaskets, as well as the intake. That one looks kind of small. I thought they would have like two, because that thing looks a lot longer. And looking at this, there's only one of that metal one there. And then that's pretty much it on that. But you can see this is a part number, and it is made and printed in the US of A, surprisingly. So that's kind of neat. This is for the 91 Miata. So it's nice to know that they still make the whole kit, and I'm gonna be cleaning this stuff up. Just because the throttle is slightly going up and down a little bit, and so it does need, all this stuff needs cleaning. But there you go, at least you know what you get. I was looking for just this one here, the rubber one there, locally, but they only showed the one that's different than that one. So that's why I decided to just get the kit and get everything on here, since I'm gonna be in there taking all that stuff and cleaning it anyway. But there you have it. And let's see here, just, there's no manual or instructions for that, excuse me. And this one actually says, caution, fuel system may be pressurized even when ignition is off. Refers to service manual before working on fuel systems. And that's pretty much all you get. And it's in Spanish and French. Anything else? Nope, that's pretty much it. And for those that haven't taken out an IAC valve, this is what that looks like. So all that gets nice and cruddy in there, and there's your terminals. So this is just another one I just got, because I wanted to make sure I had one off before I took the original one, because I wasn't sure what I would need. And you don't want to be taking it off, especially if you don't have the gasket down there, because the old one expands and it doesn't fit correctly. So that's the reason I'm doing this before I actually get to taking the parts off on this car. I did it on the MR2 and it was very similar, so I just went ahead and cleaned all that gunk, and it's working a lot better now too. So this is one part, but then the throttle body and the intake are the other two that you definitely want to look into cleaning. Luckily this year I don't need the smog check on that one, but at least now I know what to clean and look for after experiencing all these issues with the MR2.